Oof, the Hydra Hot rebuild. Eef. Well, how much did it cost to rebuild it? Let's sit down and talk about it. Well, hello guys. How's it going? I had a viewer reach out to me and ask a very good question that I actually, well, I really didn't know the answer to. And that was, how much did it cost to rebuild the Hydra Hot? So I got to sitting down and I was like, well, how much did it really cost to rebuild the Hydra Hot? So what I did was, well, I gathered all my receipts, I listed out all the parts, and we're going to see just how much it costs to do the Hydra Hot. So let's list out all the parts first. So let's see, we had the engine stir pump. We had the boiler stir pump. I had the heating element, and that would be the heating element on the electric side, similar to what you have in your hot water heater in your house if you have an electric one. Let's see, we also had the high limit switch, and that's the switch that actually shuts the electric element off once it reaches 215 degrees. So pretty good. Also remember that we replaced the contactor, or well, we might say relay, for the electric heating element. And this contactor right here, that's what, when you switch the electric on your Hydra Hot, that's what turns the electric heating element on. And then it goes through the high limit switch here, to control your electric heating element. So we replaced that also. We also did a fuel pump for the diesel burner. Let's see. Oh, we also had to replace the blower housing. If you remember in that video, whenever I went to rebuild the blower/fuel pump assembly, this blower housing was actually cracked. So anyway, we replaced that also along the way. We did a blower rebuild kit. That's the one that came with all of the bearings, the O-ring. Let's see, what else did it come with? It came with new electric ignition leads. It came with all the, I think I already said, it came with the bearings for the actual blower assembly itself. It came with a new coupling kit. It came with all the stuff to completely rebuild the blower system, which houses the fuel pump here. So we got that. We also replaced the float switch itself for the boiler fluid, and that was a brass switch, which the stock one is plastic, which sucks. We also did, a while back, I had replaced the mixer valve itself. Now, this mixer valve right here, that's what blends your hot and your cold water to a desired temperature. It is adjustable, and we replaced it a while back also. And then let's see, last but not least, we had the insulation kit for the whole entire Hydra Hot system. And I'm gonna say, oh, I remember, I also did 2 gallons of boiler fluid. We had flushed that thing out, so we replaced all the boiler fluid. So let's get down to prices now. So let's see, this was 190. This one was 190. They're essentially were the same pump, so that's why the prices were the same. The heating element was $34.60. The high limit switch was $47.29. The contactor relay here, I bought that from HB Controls. And all they specialize in are relays and switch contactors and such forth like that. And so I got that contactor for $58.96. So guys, the thing here is, don't be scared to shop around, and don't limit yourself just to RV supply people. Okay, the fuel pump, here we go, pricey parts now. The fuel pump, $225 for that fuel pump. Ooh wee. The blower housing, I found for $96.76. Now again here, I bought this blower housing from Sure Marine. It is a boating supply store. Again, so these HydroHot systems aren't used in just RVs, okay? I actually found this at a boating store for a very discounted price over what it would cost from an RV dealer. Let's see. Oh, the part number for this dude, just in case you run into that, is 5022567A. And mine was cracked. That's the reason we had to replace it. The blower rebuild kit itself, a little pricey, but it includes a lot of parts in there. Like I say, all the bearings and everything came in that. The float switch, again, another little bit of a pricey part, man. They are proud of these parts. I'm telling you, that is for sure. Here comes the shocker right here, though. This dude was $297.80. Holy cow. They are not cheap. I got the insulation kit for $140. Let's talk about the boiler fluid here for a second. This stuff can run anywhere from, like 22 to 50 bucks a gallon. Do your homework, shop around. Again, just use Google as your friend or whatever. I actually lucked out and I got these 2 gallons for 60 bucks. It was on sale though, and I bought it from a place called Tweedy's RV. They had it on sale though when I purchased it. Like I say, I got 2 gallons for $60. It is not on sale anymore. So shop around. Anyway, just shop around. That's all I can say. We're gonna include some things in here that I'm going to call extras. Okay, and I'm just gonna put $100 out here. Okay, these extras were stuff like thread sealant tape. If you remember, I replaced the stainless hose in the fitting where they had all the PEX crap. We went to the braided stainless line. I bought some HVAC tape to seal up the insulation kit here. What else did we get? The distilled water. Remember, I bought distilled water because you don't want to use anything in here that's not distilled because of all the elements and stuff that's just in the water, and it just makes it nasty. So that is it in a nutshell, all the parts that we used. So let's start adding all this stuff up here. So we have 1, 2, let's see, the 4, the 9, carry the 6 over the 7, plus the 96, the other 200, a 148, carry the 3 over the 7 plus 9 there, plus the 140, plus the 60 and the 100. That comes out to $1794.63. There it is. That was the total that I had to rebuild the HydroHot. $1,700 and $1794.63. Okay, so just shy of $2,000. But let's talk about something right quick. A new system was $8,900. Okay, a rebuilt system was $6,700 plus a $1,500 core charge. All right. So there is still a significant savings here. To rebuild the unit compared to the new one, that was $7,105.37 difference, folks. Okay, I saved $7,100 over a new system. All right, I saved $4,905.37 over the rebuilt unit. Okay, now I would do it again. Yes, it was a lot of work, but again, look at this, guys. We saved ourselves over almost $5,000 compared to a rebuilt unit, and $7,000 compared to a new unit. So there it is. Our total, $1,794.63 to rebuild the unit. And guys, remember, I replaced everything pretty much. If I could not replace it, I rebuilt it or bought new or fixed it or totally tore it apart as you've seen in the video and replaced everything. So to my subscriber who reached out and wanted to know how much it cost to rebuild the Hydro Hot system, there you go. All right. I really appreciate you asking too, guys. I appreciate all the input that we had there for all that stuff, and just thank y'all for watching. And hopefully this will inspire you to dig into your systems and try to save yourself some serious coinage. And we look forward to seeing you guys again really soon. And that's it for now. Bye, guys.